Hello guys, review Motorola Edge 60 Pro, open box and look completion. In completion we have only cable Type-C to Type-C and protected back cover. Device in the green color. On the back side triple camera LED. On this side power button and volume buttons. On this side AI button. And downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Okay, turn on device. We have 12GB RAM memory and 512GB storage. Open settings. We have Android 15 and Hello Moto launcher by Motorola. Open Geekbench 6 and look CPU test results and GPU test results. Very good results. And start PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. We have CPU MediaTek Dimensity 8350 and GPU Mali G650. Look how game works on the device.
You can move freely on Spawn Island while you wait to board the plane.
Graphics we have on the high graphic level. Okay, game works perfect on this device. Okay, now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.